Pag ganyan matatamaan mo yung tutoy mo. Bilisan mo. Punoy mo tabubuhatin ni mami. Ka na.
Mama, why is not plan?
Nailagay na nga natin kahapon yung buto, anak.
Mama, why only one?
Anong only one? Ang dami nung nilagay natin kahapon.
No. Ano na why?
Iligan mo na. Hindi dyan. Walang seeds dyan. Hindi ako naglagay dyan. What's that?
A flower.
For me? Thank you.
Cut. Here's a cut. Oh, Next, I don't. How I climb up here?
You use your legs?
What the hell?
Don't say what the hell.
Why?
What are you thinking about? Your foot. Ha? Pupo ka? Let's go. Let's go home. Let's go home. Why you have to What did you eat ba?
Apple.
You eat a pupo. Careful.
Mama, di ba I drink orange juice and then you put some orange?
Don't know. Baka hindi na kasi late na.
Mama, I want to.
But you're tagal to pupo and then when we come out, it's dark na.
No, mine is only 11. No, not 11.